Hey everyone, so like part 6 of this series. If you like this kind of thing, great. Uh, so I was watching a YouTuber. I kind of went down this path of, let me turn off my overdrive so it's a little quieter. Uh, I've been watching videos about trailers. And when I mean trailers, I mean like, what you pull behind your car or truck or whatever. And they're just, they're, I'm not even in the market for buying a trailer, but you know how it takes you down the YouTube, rabbit hole. And I started watching people who set up their trucks as like a home. So this guy is sleeping in the back of his truck, and like the whole video is just him like making dinner and sleeping in the back of his truck and in like, you know, 10 degrees. And I look and I'm like, he's got 1.2 million followers watching this. So anyway, just shows that, you know, I don't know, people will watch anything. I don't know where I was going with that, but hey, I you know, if you've joined me on this journey with my guitar, and you're the um, seventh or eighth person that's watched the video, welcome aboard. um, anyway, so here is the finished version of this. I've added the humbucker. Um, I'll have to go back and actually listen to the original playback to see if or the original version where I played with the other pickup, to see how much of a change there is. To me, I think it sounds better, but I put all the work in to get it in there. So I'll have to figure out if I could put the samples back to back. You know, I'm not the best at editing. I'm more of a like, let's shoot the video and just put it out there kind of thing. I do have one criticism. I bought these strings. They're clear tone electric. I bought 2 packs of these at a Guitar Center. They were on sale, and now I know why. The first and second and third string all have rust on them, right out of the box. So I didn't want to drive all the way back to Guitar Center and get a refund, but no wonder they were on sale and I think discounted. But if you see those, I'd recommend staying away from them, unless you've double checked them or whatever. So anyway, this is my Xavier electric with the new pickup. There. That's with just the playing through a Marshall Origins. Don't want to crank you out with when I turn on the gain, but let's get a little bit of gain on there. that's with just the neck pickup. Here is the neck and the bridge. Back to the neck pickup. It's that G string. So, I mean, I like it. I like how it sounds. Would I do that again? Would I? I would first make sure that I check to see whether or not there was a big enough hole under there that, you know, I didn't have to route it out before I did something like that again. But I like it. I like the way that looks better than the little pickup in the front. I really bought that so I could have, you know, a little bit, wasn't going to spend a lot of money on, you know, getting a new guitar. And then I went out and bought a new guitar. But you know, I like the double big humbuckers in I think it's the Tele something custom. I can never remember, traditional custom or whatever. So I like that, but I like this too. I like the way it looks. I like this guitar. I probably will be upgrading the tuners. Hopefully if I do upgrade and buy them from Guitar Fetish, the tuners that I buy will actually fit their Xavier. They're not the easiest people to get a hold of. I think they have some pretty good quality products. I like the guitar, but you know, hopefully, you know, the next thing I buy, I'll learn from my lessons and actually ask the right questions. So anyway, that's this guitar in a nutshell. Get a little fuzz on here. All right. God bless. Take care and have a wonderful day.